Friends, so we have learned how fractions are split up and how to read and write them and how they look like on a number line. But now I want to show you how to make equivalent fractions using our pictures, our bar models. So looking at this, I know that, I forgot to color one, that the top is split into two pieces, half. So 2 is going to go at the bottom. And then there's only one colored, meaning 1/2 of this is shaded in. Now this one, 1, 2, 3, 4, so we're working with fourths is our denominator, and 2 are shaded in. Now these are equivalent fractions because even though they have different numbers, if you look at the shaded parts, they're the same amount shaded in. Almost like if I can drag down this line, the same parts are shaded in. Also, you can think, well, 1/2, how can I jump from 2 to 4? How many times is that? 2 times 2 equals 4. Well, then I can do the same to the top. 1 times 2 equals that 2. So that's another way that I can check that they're equivalent. If I can multiply it by a number at the top and bottom to get the same number, then that means that they're equivalent. Okay, so 1/2 and 2/4 are equivalent fractions. Let's look at this middle one because now I have to shade in what is the equivalent. So I need to think, well, there's 1, 2, 3, so I'm working with thirds, and only one is shaded in, 1/3. So now I've got, well, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we're working with ninths now. So I can think, well, how did I jump from 3 to 9? 3 times 3 equals 9. Then I can do 1 times 3. Should be 3 on the top. But let's just look at our picture and think if I bring that line all the way down and then color in how many is on this side? 1, 2, 3. So 3/9 is equivalent to 1/3, just like how we multiplied, we got the same one. Let's look at this one. I see that this is 3/4, and this is split up into 8s. Okay, so again, I can think, well, how did I jump from 4 to 8? 4 times 2 equals 8, so then I can do the same at the top. 3 times 2, it should be 6 here. But let's look at our model. I'm going to bring that line all the way down and then color everything on this side. And if I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, we were right. 6/8 and 3/4 are equivalent. So you will be using these bar models to help make equivalent fractions in your next activity.